Alright, YouTube here for an unboxing. Alright, so I'm going to have Liberty Overwatch 10mm at 2150 feet per second. It's a 70 grain projectile, faster, lighter to carry, hits harder. Some Liberty Overwatch 9mm, 1720 feet per second. Some Fiocchi Defense Dynamics 9mm, 124 grain, 1100 feet per second, 50 round box. And then some Defense Dynamics Jacketed Hollow Points 10mm, 180 grain at 1250 feet per second. Alright, so the Fiocchi 10mm Defense. $180 grain hollow points. And then the 9mm 124 grain Fiocchi Defense. Has a different hollow point on it. And then we'll get open some Liberty. Which one is this one? 9mm. They're both going to be the same grain weight, which is 70. Just a heads up. So the 9 and the 10 has the same grain weight. Alright. Completely different style. Hollow point. And they're going to have a coating on them. Very nice. And then we'll go ahead and do the 10mm. See if we can get this one to focus inside. Yep. Very nice. And to give you a size reference, 9 versus 10. Same ammo. Same grain weight. Just a lot faster with the 10mm. A lot more powder. Alright, YouTube. See you.